success business. The time is the diary of a CEO listen on business and entrepreneurship. For this review, I chose a podcast episode from the Diary of a CEO, hosted by Stephen Belton. It is one of the most popular business podcasts on YouTube. The podcast invite entrepreneurs, investors, and business experts to share ideas, their experience, and ideas about business success. In this review, I explain the main point for the podcast and the reason I learned from it. The podcast talk about the importance of having the right mindset before trying to become successful in business. The speaker explained that having a good business ideals is important, but success also depends on hard work, discipline, consistency, and the ability to face challenge. The quote say that every successful entrepreneur has experienced failure, problem, and difficult situation. Instead of being afraid of failures, people should learn from their mistakes and use them to become better. Failure is seen as a part of the learning process. Another important topic in the podcast is customer values. A business should not only focus on making money, it should also help solve customers' problems. Companies that understand their customer and provide good good products or service can build trust and grow their business. The podcast also discusses success leadership. Good leader motivate their team through clear communication, responsibilities, and understanding. They create a positive workplace where employees feel comfortable sharing ideas and working together. Technology is another important topic in the discussion. Today, business owners can use social media, digital marketing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence to improve their business and reach more customers. However, technology should support human creativity, not replace it. The speaker also talked about productively, successfully business people usually have good daily habits. They volunteer work, continue learning, read book, listen to podcasts, and contact with other professionals. These activities help them improve their knowledge and skill. Finally, the podcast explains the importance of long-term thinking. Building a successful business takes time, persistence, and dedication. Quick profiles may be attractive, but long-term success comes from giving value to customer and making good discussion. One strength of this podcast is that it gives practical advice. The speaker share a real experience, so listeners can understand the lesson more easy. Another advantage is its conversational style. The discussion feels natural and interesting because the queens tell personal stories about their success and failures. The podcast also presents realistic ideals about business. It shows that success does not happen overnight and that challenges are part of the journey. Although the podcast is very informative, it also has some weakness. Some opinions are based on personal experience and may not be suitable for everyone. In addition, many episodes are quiz long, which can make it difficult for beginners to stay focused. Some device is designed for entrepreneurs in developing countries, so listeners from a country may need to adapt the ideas to their one situation. After listening to this podcast, I learned that business success is not only about money or intelligence. A good mindset, hard work, practice, and continuous learning are also very important. I also learned that business should focus on helping customers solve their problem. When customers are satisfied, a business can grow and become more successful. The discussion about leadership nurtured me to improve my communication skills and become more responsible. The podcast also inspired me to keep learning and developing my abilities. In conclusion, the Diary of a CEO is a useful podcast for people who are interested in business and entrepreneurship. It provides value lesson about leadership, innovative, productive, and personal growth. I recommend this podcast to students, young entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to learn more about business. The podcast teaches that success comes from hard work, practice, and the days to keep improving. Thank you.